There's a million reasons to celebrate and send a gift. Whether you just signed a big account, celebrating a win with your team, or it's getting close to that holiday season and you want to say thank you. You start to think, what can I send that's fun, trendy, and delicious?
Hi, I'm Mel. I'm the chef and CEO of Bake It with Mel. I'm also a two-time Chop Champion on Food Network and previous Parisian bakery owner. I've created the first ever chef-curated baking kits inspired from Instagram's most trending recipes. Take a peek at how it works.
Let's make the S'mores Pizza Kit. Each kit includes all the pre-measured ingredients, tools, and utensils. Let's get started. Start by creaming together the butter and the sugar, bag number 1. Add your eggs one at a time. Add your flour mix and chocolate chips, bags 2 and 3, and let's get this in the oven. Let's make ganache. Grab your chocolate chips and heavy cream, placed in the microwave, and make that beautiful spreadable chocolate. Top with marshmallows and graham crackers and dig in.
We are on a real mission to spread joy like frosting.
Join us at bakeitwithmel.com.